Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell digital products on Google Merchant Center. So for you to be able to sell digital products on Google Merchant Center, here's a simple tutorial guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is create a Google Merchant Center account. Then go to the Google Merchant Center website and sign in with your Google account. Then follow the prompt to create a new merchant account center. Then verify your business. Once you verify your business by providing, you can verify your business by providing the necessary information such as business name, address, and your phone number. Once all of this information is being provided, follow the verification steps sent to your email to confirm your account. And after that, you can simply add your product. So for you to be able to add your product, go to the product section in the Google Merchant Center. Then click on add product and choose the method to upload your product. Choose the method to upload your product data. For example, using a product feed, or you can also use a manual entry or use a Google Sheet. And then after that, prepare the product feed. If you're using a product feed, ensure it includes all the required fields such as product ID, name, description, price, and image URL. And after that, make sure your feed complies with your Google's product data specification. Then upload your product feed. Upload your product field file to Google Merchant Center. Then review the upload product and resolve any errors or warning that may appear. After that, set up Google Shopping campaign. Then go to the Google Ads and create a shopping campaign. Once you do that, link your Merchant Center account to your Google Ads account. Then follow the prompt to set up your campaign. Include your target option and budget, including your budget. And after that, monitor and optimize. So for you to be able to monitor your account, so follow the step. Monitor the performance of your shipping campaign in Google Ads, then make an adjustment as needed to improve your product visibility and sale. And here is the quick guide on how to sell digital products on Google Merchant Center. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.